invite our guest of honor, Srimati Anjali Bagal, our special guest, Srimati Zarna Parekh, Shriman Mrugesh Parekh, and Srimati Rasila Mehta on the stage. I would like to request Srimati Mausam teacher to present a small token of love to our guest of honor, Srimati Anjali Bagal, on behalf of entire Blossom family. I request Anjali ma'am to say few words for us.
Namaskar. Respected in-laws and parents of Mausam, I won't take much of your time. Congratulations to all the students and congratulations to all the parents also for supporting their children, asking and encouraging them to learn Bharatnatyam. I also praise Mausam for her attempt to do it, the class performance with the live music. It was really lovely to listen to Raji's melodious voice, Pancham's mridangam, and violin also. Really very melodious orchestra. I was, thoroughly enjoyed the entire performance. Thank you so much.
Now I would like to request Srimati Mausam teacher to present a small token of love to our special guest, Srimati Rasila Mehta. Srimati Zarna Parekh, and Shriman Mrugesh Parekh. A big round of applause to the orchestra tonight. On vocals we have Srimati Rajlakshmi Iyer. Srimati Rajlakshmi Iyer is a Carnatic classical vocalist and teacher who has trained in the art form for over 2 decades from renowned gurus. Music for her is a way of life, seeds of which were planted within her family by her parents, grandfather and aunt. A telecommunication engineer by education, she worked with the IT giant Infosys for over a decade before diving into the world of Carnatic music. Her passion for music kept drawing her deeper and deeper into the musical world. She started spreading her love for music by founding Swarashruti Music Academy, Swarashruti Music Academy in Pune in the year 2014, with the intention of kindling this art form in young minds and nurturing it further in those who already had a taste for Carnatic music. She is currently training under Srimati Padmavati Tyagaraju, who has herself trained from Sangeeta Kalanidhi, Dr. Nedunuri Krishnamurthy. She has received various accolades, among which is prestigious Aryabhat Award in 2023, which she received for her contribution in the field of Carnatic music. She has performed various operas of Carnatic music across different cities in India and continues to be involved in the research-based performances bringing out the rich heritage of this art form. She actively promotes the Carnatic music in the community and has been instrumental in the significant activities of various organizations, including the Pune Sangeet Sabha, which has been promoting Carnatic music in Pune for over 50 years now. I would like to request Srimati Rasila Mehta to provide a small token of love to our ma'am. For Mrudangam, we have Shri Pancham Upadhyay. Shri Pancham Upadhyay is a multi-talented percussion artist. He plays Mrudangam, Ghatam, Kanjira, Tabla and Chende with various concert artists as well as in the dance programs. He is disciple of late Vidwan T.A.S. Mani from Bangalore, late Vidwan Prapancham Ravindran from Chennai. Presently he is learning under Vidwan Sumesh Narayan from Chennai. He is also learning tabla from Pandit Ramdasji Palsule Pune and late Pandit Gajanan Hegde from Dharwad. Panchamji has been conferred with Junior Kalashri Award in tabla by Karnataka government. He has received scholarships from CCRD Cultural Delhi and Karnataka Nritya Sangeet Academy. He has won many awards from Mumbai Kannada Academy and Online National Youth Festival. I would like to request Srimati Zarna Parekh to provide a small token of love to Shri Pancham Upadhyay. For violin, we have Ajay Chandramouli. Ajay Chandramouli has been playing Carnatic violin since the age of 9. He started learning under violinist Puddukottai Sri Ambika Prasad and Trichy Sri Rama Prasad. Later on, he continued learning under the tutelage of vocalist Trichy Sri K. Ramesh, under whom he underwent Carnatic vocal training too. He completed his violin arangetram at the age of 13 as both solo and accompanying artist under the guidance of Guru Trichy Sri K. Ramesh. At university, he headed a classical music and dance groups. Here he performed as violinist and singer in Carnatic, Hindustani and classical dance shows with the contemporary themes. I would like to request Shriman Mrugesh Parekh to provide a small token of love to Shri Ajay Chandramouli.
Namaste everyone. Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. My heaven is here today. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank each and every person present here for coming and showering your blessings and love. I always wanted to give my students the opportunity to perform on live music, and today, I feel so proud and happy seeing all the students enjoying and performing with full enthusiasm. A celebration such huge, with 100+ students participating, is not possible without guidance, support, hard work, trust, and teamwork. When I speak about guidance, I am lucky to have blessings of my teacher, Anjali ma'am, always with me. True understanding of purity of art I have learned under her guidance. Thank you, Anjali ma'am, for being such a great mentor and teaching me both dance and life lessons. When I speak about support, I am really lucky to have a great support from my family. As a child, I always was interested in learning dance, and my parents provided me a wonderful opportunity to learn this beautiful art form. Their presence today means a lot to me. I may be the face of Blossom Dance Academy, but my whole family, my husband, my children, Tanush and Medhansh, my in-laws, my parents, my brother, sister-in-law, each and everyone supports and helps me in running Blossom Dance Academy. I would have never been able to continue my passion without their support. A big round of applause for them. When I speak about hard work and trust, it is the love and respect of my students and parents that work as fuel for me and motivates me. A big thank you to all the lovely students who practiced really hard and enjoyed the performance with great enthusiasm. When I speak about teamwork, we have the wonderful team of artists and team of parents who help me in this celebration like close family members. It's our privilege to have Srimati Rajalakshmi Iyer on vocals. She's such a great artist with a magical voice, very down to earth, and has an amazing personality. We really had good time practicing with the entire team. I would like to thank Srimati Rajalakshmi Iyer, Shri Pancham Upadhyay, and Shri Ajay Chandramouli for making the entire experience of music feel so majestic and divine. Thank you so much. A special thanks to Mr. Abhishek Iyer for helping with the setup and sounds. I would like to introduce the team and request them to come on the stage. Also, I request Shriman Rugesh Parekh, my father, to present a small token of gratitude to the team. The first one, Dhiren Mehta, Mr. Dhiren Mehta. I was instructed not to call him on stage. Mr. Abhishek Iyer. Mr. Abhishek Iyer. Mr. Kedar from photography and videography. If Kedar sir is not here, can anyone come? Mr. Swapnil for sounds, the technician for sounds. Mr. Gaurav Joshi for lights. Mr. Swapnil, Mr. Gaurav Joshi, is it possible to come? Thank you so much. I would like to introduce the parent coordinators, and I would like to request Srimati Rasila Mehta to present a small token of gratitude to them. Mrs. Purvi Sayer, Mrs. Geeta, stay there. Mrs. Madhura, Mrs. Jagruti, Mrs. Sneha, Mrs. Sneha, Mrs. Gomti, Mrs. Shibani, Mrs. Shibani, जल्दी जल्दी शिबानी जी भागिए. Mrs. Sonal Muluk, Mrs. Sonal Muluk, Mrs. Sonal Rawal, Mrs. Sonal Rawal, Mrs. Donna, I would like to request now my mother, Srimati Jharna Parekh, to present a small token of gratitude to the team. Mrs. Drishti, Mrs. Padmamala, Mrs. Drishti, Mrs. Padmamala, Mrs. Naisargi, Mrs. Naisargi, Mrs. Meenakshi Sharma, Mrs. Meenakshi Sharma, Mrs. Shravanti, Mrs. Shravanti, Mrs. Meenakshi Sharma is here. Mrs. Smriti Mishra, Smriti ji, Mrs. Ankita, Mrs. Hetal, Mrs. Hetal, Mrs. Charu, Mrs. Charu, Mrs. Neha Srivastav, Dr. Renuka, Dr. Renuka, and little champs Master Tanush and Master Medhansh. Can I have the entire team on stage so we can have a nice photograph? Come.